Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learn React hooks, and today we're going to talk about create a custom hook in React. Custom hooks help us reuse state logic between components, making our code cleaner and more manageable. And today we'll create a custom hook called useLocalStorage. This hook will help us work with the browser local storage more easily. Okay, let's start it by create the useLocalStorage hook. First we create a new folder for our hook and create a new file. We can name file like our hooks. It's very popular approach using local storage and using JX and using JS. Okay, import useState from React and create our hooks. And correct this mistake. Okay, create arrow function, and we need two arguments like k and value. We can name initial value. Okay, next we need to create const. Okay, first we need to get our value from our local store. Create new state. We can use store value and also create set store value, and using our useState and create arrow function using try catch, because we need to catch potential null error, and create catch error and using console log for error. And if we don't can to get value, we can return initial value. Okay, and correct it. Okay, and also we need to try get item. Create new constant item and win using a global object window and method local store get item and using our k. It's our first parameter, and return. First we need to check we have item or not. If we have item, we can using JSON parse and add our item. If we don't have an item, we can also return initial values. Okay, now we need to create function to change our local store value. Create new const, and we can name set value. Create new function. And using try catch. And if we have error, we also need to print this error in console using console log and print our error. Okay, and now we need to create our value to store. And we need to check if our value is a function. We need to call this function. Using our stored value, and if not, we need to return value. Okay, and using set store value, and add argument value to store. In the end, we need to create using again window method local store and set item using k and using JSON stringify. Add our value and return stored value and set value. Okay, and also we need to export this hook. Now let's open component and let's see how we can use this custom hook in our React component. We import this hook. First I delete this code. We can create a new const using destructurization name and function set name. And using our hook, use local storage and add argument name. And also let's create input. Type text and using this value and create event on change using arrow function and add argument function and add our argument. Also, let's create placeholder like enter your name. Okay, close this input and open the window. Okay, like you see, I have only token. Let's try to add some name. Something doesn't work. Like you see, I forgot to add target value, and we all time when we change our input, we save object. Let's correct this mistake, add target and also value. Okay, let's try again. Let's add some text. And like you see, everything works, and you can use this hook in your own project. It's very useful and very easily, because we often work with local store, and this hook helps to work with local store more easily, and we always have reactive data. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Today we create a custom hooks called useLocalStore to make working with local store in React more easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe on the channel, and see you in the next video.